This video is to instruct you on mixing Follistim and Menopur. First, wash your hands and gather your supplies. You will need your Follistim pen, a needle for the Follistim pen, a Follistim AQ cartridge, your Menopur box, a 3cc syringe, a 27 gauge half-inch needle, and an alcohol pad. First, load the Follistim pen by removing the cap and setting it to the side. Unscrew the blue part of the pen from the yellow part of the pen. Wipe off the end of the cartridge with an alcohol wipe and load the cartridge into the yellow part of the Follistim pen, green end first. Take the blue end of the pen and place the spring-loaded piece into the center of the cartridge and screw the pen shut. You will know the pen is closed because the triangle and the rectangle will line up. Pull the pink tab off of the needle, wipe the end of the Follistim pen with an alcohol wipe, and screw your needle onto the end of the pen. Pull off the plastic cap from the needle and dial up your dose using the yellow dial at the end of the pen. For the purpose of this video, we will use a dose of 150 units. From your Menopur box, pull out one duo pack containing a Menopur powder and a sodium chloride vial. You will also need one Q cap. Remove the plastic caps from the Menopur powder and sodium chloride vials. Wipe the top of the powder vial off with alcohol. Remove the needle guard from the Follistim pen and insert the needle of the pen into the center of the Menopur powder vial. Depress the vial of the Follistim pen, releasing the medication into the powder. Remove the needle from the vial and cover the needle with a large plastic cap. Ensure that the dosing window now reads 0. Twist the needle off and place it into the sharps container. The cartridge in the pen is a multi-dose vial and will be used again. Instead of unloading your pen, leave the cartridge in the pen and put the whole pen into the fridge. If your dose of Follistim is greater than 225 units, you will not need any sodium chloride and can proceed to using the Q cap and syringe to withdraw all of the liquid from the dissolved Menopur vial. If your dose is less than 225 units, you will need to use the sodium chloride that came with your Menopur to finish dissolving the powder into a liquid completely. Gather a 3cc syringe and a Q cap. Twist the Q cap onto the syringe. Pull up 1/2 cc of air into the syringe. Place the Q cap and syringe combination onto the sodium chloride vial. Depress the air into the sodium chloride vial. Turn the vial over and pull out 1/2 cc of liquid. Once complete, remove the liquid vial from the Q cap and discard the remaining liquid in the vial. Place the Q cap and syringe combination on top of the partially dissolved Menopur vial. Push the liquid into the vial, which will finish dissolving the powder completely into a liquid. Turn the vial over and withdraw all of the liquid out of the vial. Once the vial is empty, twist off the Q cap and vial combination and discard both the Q cap and the empty vial. Place your 27 gauge half-inch needle onto the syringe and hold it straight up into the air and slowly push up on the plunger until you see a small droplet of medication at the tip of the needle. You are now ready for injection into your lower abdomen. When instructed to add Ganirelix acetate to your injection, you can use it in place of the sodium chloride. If not using sodium chloride, simply add it to the Menopur powder vial after adding the Follistim, but before withdrawing the medication with a Q cap.